Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to send stickers on Monopoly Go. So don't forget to like and subscribe before we begin, and let's dive in. So first we need to go and open Monopoly Go here on the game launcher, and then open Monopoly Go. And wait a few seconds till it's loading here, as you can see. And now once the game is loading here, as you can see in this interface, you can click on friends on the right bottom down here. In here you can add friends by go through Facebook or contacts, or even though we can click on invite here to invite any friend by sending them a link to get friends on your friend list. And once you do so and you get your friends, you go back here and go back once again, and next to friends you can see it's called album. You click on it and choose any one of these for stickers. So for example, I will go with on Safari here, this one. I'm gonna click on it, and I got only one sticker. It says King and Rapid. So I'm gonna click on it here, but in my case I cannot send the sticker because I got only one. If you got the sticker with +1 sign on it, you click on the sticker with the +1, and then you can able to send it to your friend, and on the other side the friend can send you back a sticker. And that's how you can send the sticker on Monopoly Go. So please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.